Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Magic Speed. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically another one of those apps on Google Play that claim that you can pay out just by playing. So as you can see, this is what the app looks like. And let's read some reviews right here. So as you can see right here, this person said, fake payout, app do not use, 1 star. 1 star again, do not part of this tomfoolery, 1 star. Open this app today, 1 star again. So basically, it doesn't even give you a real payout. So please guys, do not download this app with the hopes of making money, since apps like these tend to be scam. As you can see, let's read some more reviews right here. Lies in deceit, invested so much time in this game, watched lots of ads, but when it comes to payout, it stays my account and email is in correct format, and a lot more. So basically, the endless list of 1 stars goes on and on. So please guys, do not download this game with the hopes of making money. Yeah, that is basically it guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.